Little quick look at our van because we're just about to go out and go over to the coast to see the sunset and have something to eat. So I've just had a bit of a tidy up, but we'll do like a proper full tour one day because we love that our van is so, I can't call it a van, motorhome, it's so compact, yet it's got so much in it. Go get an adventure!
Hooray! Off we go!
He's just come back from Tesco's because he wanted snacks. And look what he's bought. How much?
60p instead of £3. They go out of date in 4 days' time, I think.
You are so bad.
I bought 3 boxes.
You're so bad.
A bargain. And then for the added fibre,
Right, Kyra can't get in.
I've got the cookies for added fibre.
It's so silly. Car park at Trevose Head is one of our favourite places to go for a park up. We can sit there in our motorhome overlooking Constantine Bay. We stay there and we cook tea sometimes and we watch the sunset. It's just beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button and ring the bell for future notifications, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.